farmer's market. You watching your brother? Huh? You watching your brother? Is it really good? We just got plums. Green. The green ones?
Is these not green tomatoes or are they just regular tomatoes?
There's a maker for I go pick yesterday.
You picked them yesterday? Oh, okay, they're not ready.
Yeah, not ready. Right. For you go for a couple.
Oh, they gonna turn red.
Okay, they're gonna turn red. Okay.
So you don't want
That's
them?
fine. We're gonna need it. I can take it.
Like the one?
Yeah, we'll take it.
Probably not that many though.
Well, it's $5 a pound.
Oh,
$5 basket.
$5? Okay. And then can we add onion? London's looking for green onions.
Tomatoes.
Green tomatoes. Yeah.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
Hi.
Mommy,
What?
my daddy just ate it up.
Yep. You
said
wasn't
eight.
eating it.
You need $1.
Green onion. Kale, that kale look good for a good salad. What you think?
Or is that just a regular?
I don't think you understand. You gotta talk to her. Huh? Yes.
Can we get
Huh? What you say?
what's that? Yellow?
Those are fingerling potatoes. Potatoes.
And what's that? That's
What you want to get? What you want to get? Huh? What you want to get?
Like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time.
Like men.
Oh,
I can
okay.
have an operation so like
Yeah.
draw the line at that.
Got you.
Hi guys, we are back, and I just wanted to show you guys everything that we got from the farmer's market. Like I said, this was our first time, which I'm excited because I've been wanting to eat healthier, eat cleaner, stop going to these grocery stores. If I can make it on my own, I'll be perfectly okay if I can fully go vegetables and fruits, but I'm working on that. For me and the kids' health, I'm working on that. But don't mind our background. We are packing because we are moving soon. So please don't mind that. But don't mind the kids in the back. One kid is out of his mind and one kid is a waterhead. So, let me go get the waterhead. Alright, now that the kids are under control, I wanted to show you guys. So we got the green snapper peas, which came in bulk. We got fresh sweet corn. So we got a bunch of these. We got fresh onion. Yes, sweet yellow onion. We got tomatoes. Tomatoes right here. Freshly out the garden. She said she just pulled them yesterday. So, Yeah, so that's why they like colored like this. They not ready yet. We got bell peppers. Look how big and juicy these bell peppers is. I can't wait to cook something up with that. We got a big old watermelon, which is crazy because it says seedless. I thought like when it was grown from like the ground and stuff like that, it came with seeds, but I don't know. Got my green onion. Y'all heard me in the video talking about I love my green onion. Why do you need yellow onion and green onion? I don't know, but that's what I like. We got potatoes. Gotta have your red skin potatoes to make my homemade mashed potatoes. And we got this big bag right here of apples, as you can see right there.